Unong alam ke BJP bat MLA ke penthor umkra uba AL hek hak nyotrik naitung. Ula kentaj ban mi akun hakanik election sheeteng samoy jong ke Shillong Lok Sabha. Da ka bat terwaru ya ke kerteng jong menteri sorkar bat MLA ke South Shillong uba sanbor shulai kum ukertang. Ngidang dan ya kapor haduk kumba arpau tarik naiwing. Kani kan ailat ingi ban penbena ya ukertang jongi. Ka election kadang sasan hadu henriu benai, kumta omla ban ong bangi penslam ban penbena kertang. Kajing penkre kabalai hadu sau benai kadai kabala biang palat na kabentak election shiteng samoi, ula ong habakren syakilat petai kebuar. Uba hek ula ong, ba ula dap ru ban pensyai ba un om yakun yakanik election shiteng samoi kebanwan, wat hadin kajingwan yakenduk bat kajing kentu da kinongalam ke parti. Namar ba udan da ki weipat ki jingkit kli ki ba udai ban pendap hapo ke jela. Hak kabaningkong lakin tu yang bangan yakun yakanik election shiteng samoi. Henry, ngala pentep syaka parti bangadan ki weipat ikam ki bangadai ban pet hapo ke jela. Kumta ngan omla ban yakun, karai ka bakat duk menta ke syong hak parti ula ong. Uba hek ula ong ru ba ula dap ban ajing wat ya ke kerteng jong uba san bor shulai kum ukur tong ke BJP hakanik election shiteng samoi ke banwan syaki nongalam ke parti hadalhi. Ngala terwai ke kerteng jong uba san bor mentangin ap ya karai jong nongalam na Delhi bakin ai ki bat ibet ban mi syakman ban yakun yakanik election MP shiteng samoi ula benram. Kashuki MP jong ke Shillong Parliamentary kalai lino hadien ke jingklat no UMP u Dr. Ricky Aegis Singkan. Ka election commission kampat syamla penbena ya katarik ban penong ya kanik election shiteng samoi kat haduk mentah.
20th of November. So we have a very right time to declare our candidates, BJP candidates.
Why are you opting out of the race? Are you there?
See, at the beginning, of course, they had told me to contest for this by-election, but I said that I'm still in one to have so many other responsibility to complete. That's why I'm not going to contest. So, but now depend on the party what decision they will take. I have proposed this thing. Let's see whatever the national party feel fit to declare whose name to contest. So we have to accept, and we are going to fight very strongly. I have still another maybe 5-6 months to have the elections, not delay. So 3 months is, I think 3-4 months is good enough to prepare for the by-elections. I'm not talking about the general election, but at least the by-election.